If your eyes feels dull, tired, or stressed by the end of the day, they're just asking for a gentle care. So this yoga practice is designed specifically for the people, those who have a long exposed hours for the screens due to studies, due to the work, or for just a general scrolling. So today I'm going to share 5 such exercises which helps in releasing the stress around the eyes, and they makes them much more better as it helps in the better circulation. But saying this, here's a disclaimer. Doing these exercises does not mean that you can use the screen time for the unlimited hours. It is important and very vital to understand and to regulate your screen time. So let us start. The first in the series is the neck and the shoulders exercises, because the any kind of stress around the eyes always starts from the neck and the shoulder. So releasing the stress from the neck and shoulder area is very important to have a relaxed eyes. So let's start with this. So breathe in and gently take your head back. Breathing out, bring your chin to the chest. One more time, breathe in and gently take your head back. Breathe out, bring your chin to the chest. One more time, breathe in and take your head back. Exhale and chin to the chest. And after this, go for the clockwise neck rotation. Breathe in, go for the half circle to the back from the right side, the clockwise rotation, and breathe out from the left. Bring your head front. Doing this, keep your spine straight and relaxed. Breathe in from the right side, take your head back halfway, and breathing out from the left, bring your head front. One more round, let's do it together clockwise. Breathe in, take your head back. And from the left side, breathe out, bring your head front. And now go for the opposite direction, anti-clockwise. Breathe in, take your head back from the left side. Breathe out, bring your head front from the right. Inhale, gently take your head back from the left side. Exhale, bring your head front from the right. One more time. Inhale softly, gently from the left, take your head back. And as you exhale, bring your head front from the right. Breathing in, relax. And now for the shoulders. It's just a normal shoulder rotations. Let's do it together. Breathe in, lift your shoulders up, try to take it up to the ear level, and breathing out, come front. Breathe in, lift your shoulders to the ear, and breathing out, come front. One more time. Breathe in, take your shoulders up, and exhale, come front. Now go for the opposite direction. Breathe in from the front to the up, and from the back side, come front. Anti-clockwise, breathe in front and bring it down. One more time, the opposite direction, the anti-clockwise rotation. Breathe into the back and out to the front and relax. The second exercise is the palming exercise. So in this, bring both of your palms together and rub them vigorously until you feel a warmth in between of your palms. And once feeling the warmth, then keep your palms on your eyes. Cup your eyes with your palms. Stay there. Breathe in that warmth of your eyes. Allow your eyes to feel relaxed. And then relax. One more time. Rub your palms together. Put them on your eyes. Breathe in this warmth of your palms and allow your eyes to relax. One more time. Let's repeat this together. Rub your palms. Allow the warmth in between of your palms to get generated full. और फिर अपने palms को अपनी आंखों पे रख के आंखों को आराम महसूस करने दें. This allows your nervous system to relax and eyes feel relaxed. and relax. This is the palming. Third exercise is a rotation, the like movement of your eyes. So how to practice this? For this, let's first practice the vertical movement. So just keeping your neck straight, make sure that your neck is straight, and then just look up. Look up, gaze up few seconds, hold there. And without blinking your eyes, gaze down. Look up, no movement in the neck, just up and down movement of your eyes. And look down. Look up. And look down. And now, let's do the horizontal movement of the eyes. Look towards your left side without moving your neck. Only move the eyeballs. And look to the right. Look to the left. And to your right. One more time. Look to the left. And look to the right. And now go for the circular movement of your eyes from up to the right to left. Just rotate your eyes in a circular motion to all four directions. And now the opposite direction, the anti-clockwise. Just a circular rotation of your eyes. This exercise helps in a better circulation of the eyes. And then coming to the center, just relax by closing your eyes. Just close your eyes and relax. And then gently open up your eyes. The fourth exercise is blinking of the exercise, blinking exercise. In this, you just have to blink your eyes open. Blink fast. This blinking. Blink your eyes fast. Keep blinking few more times together. And relax. You can close your eyes and just relax. And the fifth one is a thumb gazing exercise. In this, stretch your arms front with the thumb and look at the tip of your thumb. Keep your thumb at your eye level, right? And then keep gazing your thumb, and then slowly, don't blink your eyes, and then pull your thumb inside without blinking your eyes until you can see your thumb dividing into two. And when it happens, close your eyes. And then again, stretch your thumb to the front. Don't blink your eye and bring it in until you see your thumb becoming two. And when it happens, close your eyes. One more time, let's practice together. Take your thumb straight away. Keep gazing at the tip of your thumb and then pull it inside until you see your thumb becoming two. वो अपने आप दिखने लग जाता, थंब दो दिखने लग जाता. जैसे आपको थंब अपना दो दिखाई पड़े, just close your eyes and then take it away. One more time, let's do it together. Pull your thumb inside without blinking your eye and gaze to the tip until it becomes two. And when it becomes two, gently close your eyes and relax. It may bring little water in your eyes, that's okay. It helps in releasing stress of the eyes almost immediately, and also helps in a better vision of the eye. And then you can simply open up your eyes, right? So these are the exercises which helps immediately from the eye stress release. However, there is one more tip I would like to share. That's a cold water splash. Use the cold water, like you can take few of the ice cubes, put it in the water and allow them to melt, and then you can splash that water in your eyes. It immediately releases all the stress from the eyes, but at the same time maintain the screen time. That is inevitable and very important. So these are the small, I keep practicing, I keep sharing these small grounding practices which are very doable, and it supports in day-to-day life. So if you find this video supportive, do like and subscribe. Thank you.